All right, guys, we are very, very excited to present to you today, Kayak at the skate park.
Let's go. Oh!
Let's go! Oh, gosh.
I'm not gonna lie, that was a little boring. I think we should go somewhere else.
Let's go to Fremont! The only question I have for you, Gabe, how are we gonna get this to Fremont? Do you ever wonder, like, if you show up at the skate park with a full kayak, what do people think of you?
Nothing but respect if you show up with a full-size kayak on your car.
Let's go.
Oh my God!
No! Wait. Open the door, it really did some damage. We gotta be careful with this. It's bigger than the entire car. I don't know if this is gonna work. How do you reckon we're gonna do this?
I don't know. I'm telling you, I think I drop you off at the bay, and then you just paddle all the way to Fremont.
Oh, I got an idea. Pretty sure this is gonna work.
What is this?
Man, I think this kayak gave me lice. Just like that. What's not workable about that? Watch this, cruise.
Oh my God!
Please.
I think it's actually gonna break the kayak. Oh my goodness. Oh!
That's solid. That's in there. See? See, Gabe?
You are fully denting the top of your car, Aaron.
Really?
I'm just telling you.
My wife's gonna be so mad. It's the price you pay for, well, this.
Look at this.
Let's go. Wow. Oh, what's up? Oh, you kayak? I like those skaters, but I like the kayak. Well, it seems like it's on there pretty solid. You guys hungry? Let's hit the drive-thru. Dude, how solid is it on there? We're like flying. There I go. What's up? You kayak? She wants me. Please. I'm trying to kayak here. Hi. Do you kayak? I feel like nobody thinks this is weird. I'm the only person that sees a 70-mile-per-hour kayak going down the interstate, and I think that's weird. Something's wrong with America these days. Are we there yet? This is like the longest drive ever. I'm shocked at how actually well put on there this is. Maybe it's not that weird to have a kayak on top of your car. Nobody even looks at me. Sir, do you kayak? Oh, he kayaks. Hi. You guys yak? We should start a separate channel. Braille kayaking. You want a race cruise? Yeah, safety first. See if this guy kayaks. Hi, sir. At least he's friendly. Gave me a hi. Oh no, some kids at the skate park spotted us with the kayak. They're like, no, not these guys again. We need like VIP parking at Fremont. Did you think that was gonna work?
That was the funniest thing ever. When you first got on the freeway though, it was fully like...
Really? Oh no.
It's funny because I told Daniel, I was like, dude, that is not steady. And then we hear you right after you say that, goes, it's solid, right?
Feel that. Feel how solid that is. You realize we have to take this back as well. We can't just leave the kayak here, right?
What are you gonna do with the kayak?
Oh, just nothing.
As long as it doesn't make its way into the skate park.
No kayak at the skate park? Wow.
Get somebody into the water park and letting you in, man. That'd be great.
Serious? So no kayak at the skate park?
No,
Just
no
straight
kayak, no kayak.
How did you even see us? We thought we would sneak in like right before you got here and we would do the whole video.
I think maybe it was the color.
I understand.
Right on, man. I appreciate it.
So we'll wait until they leave.
No, we have to go to a different skate park. Those park rangers have no idea what we had to go through to get it here.
Union City could potentially work.
I fully agree. Let's do our videos here, then let's roll this to Union City. Let me just get a couple things straight here. We wake up in the morning, we put a kayak on top of my car, we drive down the interstate all the way to Fremont Skate Park. The second we pull up, the park ranger pulls up behind us and says, no kayaks in the skate park. And then Gabe says, I know where to go. The only skate park that's right next door to the police station. Well played, Gabe Cruz. We started this video about 8 hours ago. We've been to 17 Chick-fil-A's. Please don't dent the car. Please don't be a dent. Lift, yeah. Daniel, lift! Oh. Do you kayak?
No.
Jump in.
Me, no kayak.
Let's take a comment from the people. When you need a kayak to swim through all the Skate Everything videos. What's your name?
Brian.
Hey, Brian. Welcome to Skate Everything Kayak at the skate park.
Okay.
I'll do it like this and you pull. Ready? Oh, yeah, Brian! Brian, you nailed it! Is it heavy?
Yes.
Is it hard?
It's too heavy.
Are you tired?
No, it's too heavy.
Oh no, Aaron, no! Aaron! Let's just go. Let's just go. I got this, don't worry. Police department. Look at that sign right there. Skate park rules! Show respect for skaters, spectators, park monitors, and staff. Yep, skate at your own risk, and I don't see anything about kayaks. Let's go, Brian.
Push him!
Brian, give me a push!
Push him!
Brian, push it! I ain't scared, Brian! Oh no, I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh!
No!
Yes! We still got this.
Wait, you're running it the wrong way?
What do you mean?
That's the front.
That's the front? Whatever, and we're going switch. No, are you?
Everyone help push him. Push him hard!
Oh! Dude! We slayed that! That was Fetty trying to secretly kill me. I didn't know it was gonna break so
You
easy.
gotta go down that one.
Wow. Big, whoa! Fetty, you wanna roll it?
Oh my god. Hang on, I need my paddle.
Ready, Fetty? Ready?
Oh!
Perfect execution.
I think you guys should both go down it.
No.
Go ahead and get in there, Gabe.
Kayak extreme. Tell my wife I love her. Oh god.
Oh! Nailing it.
Oh, let's take it down the big one.
Big one, big one. Working out really well.
Best thing we've ever gotten off of Craigslist, ever.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I was gonna say that like we should take this, but now at this point, I'm thinking it might be in 3 pieces by the end of this video.
Yeah. You going down this, Betty?
I hope. Tell my wife I love her. Oh god.
Okay, let's do this.
Aaron, no.
Ready?
You can put it on the helmet and I can try and board slide down it.
Yes. Well, should we put trucks on it and try and actually skate it?
No, I think we should take it down everything in the park first.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Yeah, please.
Alright, I'm gonna try and board slide it.
This is one of our better ideas.
Yeah, true.
Fetty's also gonna try to board slide it. What do you think about that?
I think he's like missing the point. This is kayak extreme, not skateboard or kayak. Who does he think we are? Braille skateboarding?
Whatever floats his boat.
Oh! All right, let's see what we got.
Aaron, you gotta sit in there so it doesn't budge.
Otter Chops Photography says, making waves at the skate park.
This YouTube channel is lit.
Is the phone okay?
The phone's okay. I still got it. What were you doing? You said I needed to sit in there. I tried to jump up. It's been a long day. I can't even walk at this point.
I said sit in there, not do a front flip.
Let me try this again.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious.
just
that
sit
was
on
funny.
it.
All these puns is like some punishment. Oh! I'm already swimming out of the bad puns. Oh! Kayaking through the snakes at the skate park. Please row me how to do a kickflip. Like, you guys think it's tough for him. This is terrifying for me sitting right here. No need for a helmet, only a life jacket. That tray flip was floaty. Fetty's wussing out.
It's hard.
Oh!
What happened?
Pop on a little later.
You have to leave a like on this video.
Fetty, you're not paddling hard enough. Come on. It's an upstream battle.
Nelson Bobbitt, when you want to skate at noon, but you need to kayak at 5.
Yes!
Oh! First try! He's got your back, he's got your back.
Oh god. Oh jeez.
First try!
Go, go, go.
Oh, I didn't realize this is like a hubba. I saw this and I was like, this might not be a good idea.
First ever kayak back to this.
You got this, Fetty. Where did we even get this thing, dude?
We got this on Craigslist. Betty.
Oh my god.
You guys gotta push him off.
Tell my wife I love her. Oh god. Something sharp went in my back. Oh, the whole back flew off. Wow.
You nailed that.
I don't know where else to go.
We're going to the mega ramp. You know, we were going to put trucks and wheels on this, and at this point it's like too broken for trucks and wheels.
I think this is one of the most flowing videos we've ever had.
It's gonna rise rapidly.
Oh my god.
This is death. I'm gonna die. Let me get in my safety zone. Am I alive?
Are you okay?
Oh, what is this?
Oh my god. Look at duct tape on your butt.
Wow. Where do I get sponsored?
Are you not impressed?
Wow. Just wow. I mean, I knew you were a good skateboarder, but kayak as well?
There's a bar right there. You just put your feet and I jump down on the bar.
Professional kayaker. What do we do now?
I don't know.
Should we like try and fit it in the garbage can?
I think so.
Do we take it back to the Braille house?
Personally, I think the video is over when you fell off.
That was the ender?
That was the ender, dude.
And we got a scoot trick in there.
I think the last thing we do is go to the bay and throw you in the water.
Man, my zipper was down the whole day and you didn't let me
No, I
know?
think you could probably fold it into your car now.
Well, that was incredible. Thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe to Extreme Kayaking.
Extreme Kayaking.
Should.
Hopefully we'll get a few subscribers off of this video. Thank you very much. And that was a lot of fun. I hope you guys had as much fun watching this video as we did
Later.
making it. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, and leave that comment below. What do you want us to skate in next?